Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I came across this simple recipe for a butternut squash apple cranberry bake. Since I have all the ingredients in the house, I thought I would give it a try, and it sounds like a nice side dish, especially for Thanksgiving. The ingredients are 1 large butternut squash, peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes. 2 large Granny Smith apples, peeled and cut into a 1/2-inch thick slices. 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen cranberries. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 1/4 cup or a 1/2 stick of butter. 1 tablespoon of flour. 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. First thing you have to do to make the butternut apple cranberry bake is lightly butter the sides and bottom of a 7 by 11-inch baking dish, which I've already done. So this is the size of 7 by 11. Now I'm going to put this aside and take a small bowl, and into the small bowl I'm going to mix 1 tablespoon of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can use whatever sugar you like. I had the light brown sugar on hand. You could use dark brown too. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And now all I have to do is mix this well. Okay, this is mixed well. I'm going to put this on the side. And now I'm going to take my 7 by 11 baking dish, and I'm going to layer it with the butternut squash, which I already peeled and cut into 1-inch cubes. So now I'm going to put the butternut squash all on the bottom of the pan. This takes a little time to peel and cut the squash. Make sure you take out the seeds and to cut this up. Now it's all in the bottom of the pan. Next, I'm going to place the Granny Smith apples on top, which I already peeled and cut into 1/2-inch thick slices. Now you want to have a good cooking apple. That's why I'm using Granny Smith. Next, we have to take our cranberry, our 1/2 cup of cranberries, and we're going to just sprinkle this all on the top. And I'm using fresh cranberries, and you could use frozen. I've already washed and drained these cranberries. Now I take the flour sugar mixture and sprinkle it on the top. Grandpa and I love butternut squash and cranberries, apples, so I thought this is a great recipe to try. All the ingredients that we like is in here. And then you take your butter, and I cut it into small pieces, and you just want to dot the butter on top. You have to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. until it's cooked through and lightly browned. I just took the butternut squash apple cranberry bake out of the oven and I baked it for 60 minutes. Everything is soft and cooked through. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. It looks nice and colorful. The orange, the apple color, and the red cranberries. Take a little bit of each. It's very flavorful with the butternut squash, the apples, and the cranberries. And the brown sugar gives a little sweetness to it. The cranberries add a little tartness. 3 combined make a perfect combination. You did a good job, Ma.
Thank you, Pa. I definitely think I'm going to be making this for Thanksgiving as a side dish. I think this will go perfect with the turkey.
I agree, Ma. It would make a nice side dish.
And this is so easy to make. This is all natural ingredients. So I'm very happy that I tried this recipe.